Today I'm going to show you how to take a screenshot on the brand new iPhone 17 series model real quick in 4 ways. Step 1. Grab your phone. Press the side button and the volume up button together, then let go right away. Boom, screenshot taken. You'll see the little preview pop up at the bottom. If not, change from the settings. Here's full screen preview. Tap on markup if you want to edit, or save from top and save to photos option. To enable small preview screen at bottom left corner, under the Settings app, scroll to General and tap on Screen Capture option. Now, disable the full screen previews toggle. And that's it. Now, your screenshot appear like before, or just swipe it away and it saves to photos, or tap on it for edit. You'll see the little preview pop up at the bottom. Tap it if you want to edit, or just swipe it away and it saves to photos. But hold up. If you don't want to mess with buttons, there's a slick way. The second way. Head into Settings, scroll to Accessibility, again scroll to Touch Settings, and again scroll to last option, Back Tap. Use double tap or triple tap to set it to screenshot. Now just double tap or triple tap the back of your iPhone and yeah, that's your screenshot right there. As I double tap on the back, a screenshot is automatically captured without touching the side button. That's easy. To stop accidental touch, use triple tap for screenshots. The third way is for anybody who likes shortcuts. Turn on Assistive Touch under Accessibility. Go to the Settings app, scroll to Accessibility, tap on Touch and go with the Assistive Touch settings. Enable the toggle Assistive Touch button. Hit the floating button, go to Device, More, then Screenshot. Done. And the fourth easy way is take a screenshot with a touchscreen home button. Under the Assistive Touch settings, scroll to Custom Action and set Single Tap for the screenshot. Once you set, just tap on the touch button to take a quick screenshot without opening the touch button menu. That's it, guys! 4 easy ways to screenshot on the iPhone 17 series. If this helped you out, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more quick iPhone tips.